Cheese.
What are you doing? Ben.
Cheese.
Will. Hey, Will. Look at mommy. What did you do to yourself?
Ow. Ow.
It hurts? No more. No more on the face, please, Ben. Ben. I love it, Will. It's so beautiful, honey. Let me see your finger. Whoa. You're painting your truck?
It's painted truck.
How about we paint just the paper? It's just like using crayons. We don't use crayons on anything but paper.
I have my truck.
Oh, boy.
You gotta put some on the wheels.
I see your finger. You guys are koops.
Even bigger than the other.